Carroll Shelby didn't do subtle. He dropped Ford V8s into tiny British roadsters, stared down Ferrari at Le Mans, and built a legend that still turns heads today. So when Fossil decided to make a Shelby branded watch, you can bet it wasn't going to be boring. This is the Fossil Shelby Grand Tourer chronograph. A limited edition timepiece that takes direct inspiration from one of the most iconic cars ever made, the Shelby Cobra. The design is pure Shelby. Wimbledon white and Guardsman blue stripes run down the dial like hood stripes on a GT350. The Cobra logo positioned at 6 o'clock. A 45mm stainless steel case that has real wrist presence, but still stays balanced and wearable. Fossil gives you two strap options out of the box, a stainless steel bracelet for a dressier look, and a perforated blue leather racing strap for that motorsports vibe. The leather's punch texture is a nod to 1960s driving gloves and vintage Cobra seats. Small details enthusiasts will definitely notice. Even the packaging is Shelby grade. The Grand Tourer ships in a metal toolbox style case with vintage racing livery plus a certificate of authenticity. Unboxing it feels more like opening a collector's edition Cobra model than a watch. Flip it over and you'll find an etched Shelby logo and unique serial numbers. Only 1,098 pieces are being made, a nod to the original CSX series codes used on the Cobras. That means numbers like 289, 427, and 428 will be extra collectible. Under the hood, you're getting a reliable Japanese quartz chronograph movement by Miyota. Sure, it's not mechanical, but it's accurate, trusted, and practical. It should last a lifetime. You get a central stopwatch hand plus subdials for minutes and seconds. Think of it as a tool watch wrapped in Shelby swagger. And it's built for real use. With decent water resistance and a sapphire crystal, this watch can handle road trips, pit lanes, and even the occasional splash of bourbon during a late night garage session. So should you buy one? At $495, the Fossil Shelby Grand Tourer doesn't try to compete with the Swiss luxury brands. It won't hold the resale value of a Breitling, or Baume & Mercer, or even a Bulova. Instead, it's a fun, affordable, everyday watch made for Shelby fans who still wave at other classic cars on the road. This is one of Fossil's most thoughtful collaborations in years, and if you're into cars, you're into watches, or you're just into great design, you'll probably want to grab one before all 1,098 are gone. The Fossil Shelby Grand Tourer is part watch, part Cobra spirit, wide open, just like Carroll would have wanted.